Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to display date and time on home screen and iPhone iOS 17 on. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? So you have that I have already my home screen. You have shows and then how to date and time. So I will fix this issue. So you have long press on home screen iPhone, so then you have click on plus icon, so you have click here and then you have scroll up, then you have select from here, so you have clock and date for you have calendar and then you have time for you have clock. So then you have widgets, so you have choose from here. So then you have seen your iPhone, so I have this widgets add, and then you have seen your iPhone, then you have click, then automatic widgets is add on your iPhone home screen. So I have already that widgets and then whether widgets already add on home screen, so then other time widgets on home screen add. So same solution, you have press the long press, so plus and then you have click on calendar, so you have that uh, add from here, then you have I have, then same that is add on display. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.